Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Welcome to my new bathroom. We're in a new bathroom. We're doing stuff to our hair. It has been a hot minute since I've dyed my hair. It's been like a really long time. So I'm a little nervous, but I have a plan. So the plan is to use this Punky Colour Lightning Fast Bleach Kit. It is 40 volume, which I think is stronger than what I typically use. I think I typically use 30 volume, so I'm a little scared. And then I'm going pink again. If you've watched me dye my hair pink before, you've seen that I've used this color by Punky Colour. It's Flamingo Pink, but it is a little bit more of a magenta. So I wanted to add a little bit of this red. This is Vermillion red, because I thought maybe like I could warm it up a little bit. I'm also going to go in with this, like I'm going to mix all these together. This is the Punky Colour 3-in-1 Color Depositing Shampoo and Conditioner in Pinktabulous. This fades to a really pretty pastel pinky peach. And so I kind of just want to like mix all these together and see what I get. So if you're interested to see how this all turns out, then just keep watching this video. I'm scared. Okay, so since this part of my hair is previously bleached, I'm mostly going to be avoiding it. I might touch up a little bit like of my roots towards the end, but I'm going to be avoiding this. And I just want to say this took one try, okay? And let's see how like perfectly I put up my hair. One try, I went like a little bit above my ears and just like whoosh, and it's like literally probably the most perfect I've ever split my hair since the day I dyed it. So like I've never attempted anything like a balayage or anything like that. But that's kind of what I want to try and do here. I'm just pinning up my hair back here in like a little, maybe a bun's not a good idea. I decided a bun probably not a good idea, so I'll just like put it in a little ponytail. Maybe tuck it into my shirt. I don't know how to like keep it out of the process. Okay, so the kit includes a brush, the 40 volume cream developer, and powder bleach. I typically use the Quick Blue, but I think I'm almost out of the Quick Blue. But I typically use the L'Oreal Quick Blue and the Salon Care 30 volume cream. So like I'm probably not going to leave this on quite as long. I feel like this is medium brown. It might be closer to dark brown. So it says 10 to 45 minutes. That's quite a time span. My hair just needs to be light enough for you to be able to see the color. I'm not trying to go like pastel or anything. I just want it to be like colorful and pretty. I'm going back to the way I used to do my hair, where I would like leave my roots, because it's so much easier to touch up colored hair if you just leave your roots undone. And I like the way it looks. Really, I'm kind of inspired by Karen Joy. She just dyed her hair pink and like did like a pink balayage, and it's so cute and I love it. So that's kind of what I'm going for today. But I'm gonna get this mixed and we're gonna get started. Alright, now I'm gonna go cook for a little while. Okay, so it's been on for almost 45 minutes. I think it looks pretty good. It's definitely patchy, but that was as to be expected. And that's okay, because I want the pink to kind of blend into my natural hair, and I feel like that'll make it blend in, right? That's how it works, right? And that little spot that I accidentally got on myself, I don't think actually bleached too much, so I think we're okay. I'm gonna go shower and then decide if I'm gonna dye my hair pink tonight or not. The hair is done. I do have part of it up. It looks a little crazy right now and a little reddish. The reddish tint doesn't really bother me since it is going to be like a pink, a warm pink. So I don't feel like that's gonna bother me. It's definitely light enough to pick up the color, and I am so excited to get into this. So like I said, we're gonna be mixing a little bit of these, probably mainly this one and just a hint of this one to like warm it up a little bit. And then this one, because I like this color a lot. It's a lot like really pretty pink. And then I'm probably gonna add like a little bit of conditioner to lighten it, just a smidge. So we're gonna get to mixing. Got Flamingo Pink, which is gonna be the main color. So we've got the pink. As you guys can tell, it's like a really dark magenta. Here's the Vermillion red. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. Oh yeah. I feel like that's actually making a big difference already. You guys see like how big of a difference? I feel like that looks way different already. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in. I actually don't know how this is gonna go mixing like products like this, but I know that this dyes, like, I always use this basically just as a hair dye. And we're just gonna mix in a little bit of that. We're making science right now. I feel like this is gonna lighten it a little bit and also maybe just get me a little bit of a different pink. Oh, that's looking so pretty. Learned from experience that the fading color is more important because the color that it fades to is the color you're stuck with for longer. And I really like the fading color of both the Flamingo Pink and the Pinktabulous, but I really like neither one of the starting colors is my favorite, so I just thought if I mix them together, I might get a little bit of a better starting color. And honestly, I'm probably going to take a picture of this so I have a reference. But look how pretty that looks. I am excited. I think this is going to be a really, really pretty pink. I'm going to turn on Law & Order and we're going to get started. Okay, the color is all on. Now I'm just gonna clean everything up and wait about 40-45 minutes and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. And my hair is all done. What do we think? I am kind of obsessed. I think it's gonna fade to a really, really nice, like, light pink. I'm super excited. I do think that mixing all those colors really did help like get this color to be a lot warmer. It's a lot warmer of a pink. It's not, I don't know, I definitely would say it's more of a hot pink rather than a magenta like usual. There's definitely like some spots of a more magenta in there, but I feel like overall it's just like hot pink. I'm very excited. So anyway, I think that's all for me today. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, I post new videos every single week, usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!